So Christian went on, and called to the person ahead of him. But that person did not know what to answer, for he also thought that he was alone. By and by the day broke. Then Christian said, "He has turned the shadow of death into the morning." Morning having come, Christian looked back, not out of a desire to return, but to see, by the light of the day, what hazards he had gone through in the dark. So he saw more perfectly the ditch which was on the one hand, and the quagmire which was on the other side. He also realized how narrow the way was, which lay between them both. Now he saw the hobgoblins, satyrs, and dragons of the pit, but all were afar off, for during the day they did not come near. Yet they were revealed to him, according to that which is written, "He reveals the deep things of darkness and brings deep shadows into the light." Now Christian was much affected with his deliverance from all the dangers of his solitary way. These dangers, though he feared them more before, yet he saw them more clearly now, because the light of the day made them conspicuous to him. Walking now in the daylight was another mercy to Christian, for though the first part of the valley of the shadow of death was dangerous, yet this second part which he had yet to travel, was, if possible, far more dangerous. From the place where he now stood even to the end of the valley, the whole way was so full of snares, traps, snags, nets, pitfalls and entanglements, that had it now been dark, as it was when he traveled the first part of the valley, though he had 1,000 lives, he still would have perished. But just now the sun was rising. Then Christian said, "His candle shines upon my head, and by his light I walk through darkness."